Hi, and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to pair your AirPods with your Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. So let's begin. What we'll do first is press the settings button just here. Next we'll enable Bluetooth. Then go to the all settings button just at the end here. And look down the list and locate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. At the bottom of this next list you'll see Bluetooth devices. When I tap this, the Kindle Paperwhite will start looking for another Bluetooth device, at which point I'll flip the lid, press and hold the button at the back of these AirPods, and we'll make a connection. So let's do that. Press the button, flip the lid, and I'm pressing and holding the button at the back. We'll give it a few seconds. It's located it. I shall now release the button and I'll press AirPods Pro. As you can see, just at the bottom here, it says connected device AirPods Pro. So that's how you connect your AirPods. Now, if you wish to disconnect or forget them, simply press this same Bluetooth devices button, select AirPods, and you have the option to cancel, forget, or disconnect. So choose the one you wish. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Thank you very much for choosing my video. If you'd like more information on the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the playlist where I have many videos with a lot of great information. Thanks a lot once again and have a great day ahead.